What's up, pranksters? Welcome back to another fun video, and in this particular video I will be showing you guys 10 smart ways to easily sneak your favorite snacks and candy into class without getting caught. What that means is that you'll be able to eat your food in class without anybody knowing. These methods will come in handy to those of you who recently went back to school. But before we get started with these hacks, I want to give a shout out to Ivan II. He was the winner of an Xbox One from a previous giveaway. Here he is with his brand new Xbox One. Now remember that all these giveaways were made possible by you guys and your support. Thank you for helping me reach all those like goals, and as far as this video, if we get 1,000 likes, I will give away another box of snacks to someone in the comments, and if we get 8,000 likes, I will give away another Xbox One just like the one Ivan II won. See, you could end up being one of these guys right here. To participate in this giveaway, all you have to do is give this video a like and leave a comment below telling me which of these life hacks was your favorite and why. I will be choosing the winner randomly, so make sure that your comment stands out. Again, all it takes to enter this giveaway is a like and a comment. One last thing guys, make sure you are subscribed with all your notifications turned on, just in case you win, you will know sooner. Good luck guys, now let's get started with these hacks. What I have right here is a box of M&Ms, and this particular box contains peanut butter M&Ms. Not that it matters though, because this hack works with any M&Ms. The purpose of this is to sneak these M&Ms into class without getting caught, and here is what you will need to pull that off. A basic pencil sharpener, the bigger the better. This one I got at Walmart for 47 cents, so if you try this hack out, you won't have to spend much on it. What I like about this sharpener is the fact that it has a large enough compartment to store candy in there, and of course our choice of candy will be M&Ms. Remember though that it's best if the sharpener is clean or brand new, that way you won't have to deal with cleaning it up. I'm gonna fill it up with a bunch of M&Ms. As you can see, it's pretty packed, and now all I have to do is close it up. See, if you take this into class as it is right now, it will be suspicious, so I strongly recommend that you don't get a clear sharpener. Now the way that I'm gonna deal with this issue is pretty simple. I'm just gonna cover it with some masking tape. No one will be able to see inside. See, I'll even write my name on it so people know that it's mine. And that's it guys, just keep it handy on your desk or wherever you keep your supplies. When you get hungry, simply pop it open and your M&Ms will be right there. You can eat them one by one or get them all at the same time, whatever works for you. This roll of duct tape that I have right here I purchased at Walmart for a very cheap price. As you can see, it's still wrapped in its seal, and on one side it has a little cover with the logo of the brand on it, and that is perfect because half of the work has already been done for us. What we basically need to do now is create a circular cutout that will act as a cover for the other side of the tape that's exposed. I'm just gonna take a piece of cardboard, and using the roll of tape I'm gonna trace an outline on it. Should look something like this. Now this outline I will be cutting out with a pair of scissors, and again it's fairly easy. So now this will be our back cover of our roll of tape. To attach it on, all we need is one piece of tape, just like so. Now we can open it and close it as we please. Basically at this point we created a secret compartment within the roll of tape. So I'm gonna take one of these yummy pastries and put it inside the roll of tape. See, it fits in perfectly. Now close it up, and while holding the cover, flip it over and place it inside a pencil box. That's it guys, now you know you have a delicious cupcake inside your pencil box. Just open it up, pull out the roll of tape, and there's your cupcake. Enjoy. But just so you know, you are not limited to just cupcakes. You can also try a stack of your favorite cookies, such as these chocolate chip cookies. Just place them inside. Here is another example. Some chips will go great with this hack. It will definitely be hard to go hungry if you try this method out. You might also be able to save the day for some of your friends, as you will be able to share your snacks with them. Check it out guys, here I have some sweet tarts, and these are really yummy candy, and they're really handy to have when you're hungry. So I'm gonna show you a clever way to sneak these into class using some binder clips, such as this large clip and 4 of these little ones. So guys, if you attempt to do this, please get the largest binder clip that you can find, and also make sure that the inside is very clean. So the way to pull this off is we take some sweet tarts and we stack them up like so. The stack should be about as tall as the binder clip. Now all we do is take the clip and place it over the sweet tarts. See, now they're all within the binder clip. Attach 2 of the small binder clips on the side of the big one to keep the sweet tarts from sliding out, but also to help hide them. Just do the same thing to the other side and that's it. Take your clip and put it inside the supplies box and take it into class. No one will suspect anything, but of course, once your sweet tooth starts to act up, you know where your candy will be. Just undo a couple of the clips and there's your candy. For this next hack, we will be sneaking one of these candies that you see right here into class using a pencil. Can you guess which one? Well, we are gonna go with the fruit by the foot, and this method is quite easy. First, get out your fruit by the foot candy, and like I said, you will need a pencil for this, and notice that the pencil has a cushion on it. We are gonna remove it and replace it with our candy. The way we do this is once we have the package open, tear off a small piece from the fruit by the foot and start wrapping it around the pencil. This will be followed by the candy itself. I'm only gonna do a small portion, but it'll be enough to calm my hunger just a little. Since I'll be holding my pencil where the candy is at, no one will be able to spot it. Therefore, I will have candy at all times when I'm writing. Just tear small pieces of it till it's all gone. It's the perfect hack for those classes that require you to write for long periods of time. If you're a big fan of Twizzlers or Red Vines, here's a great way to sneak them into class, and for that you will need the help of a jumbo straw. Since these Twizzlers are red, I'm gonna go with a red straw. Remember though that Twizzlers come in all different colors, so it's best to always try to match it with the same colored straw. All you do here is just insert the Twizzler inside the straw, all the way in, and now you can't even see it. You can keep this inside the spiral of any notebook. With the help of a small binder clip, you can secure it inside. If you look at this notebook, it does not look suspicious at all. Actually, it looks like it's just a large red pencil. When you get hungry, you can easily just take it out by pushing it out with a pencil or a pen. Eat it little by little while in the classroom to keep you from being hungry. Here's another clever way to use a straw to sneak some candy into class. For this example though, we are going to be using some Mike and Ike's, but any type of jelly bean will work. Take a piece of tape and block off one end of the straw. At this point, you can start filling it with candy until you can't put another piece in there. To keep all the candy in there, just take a cap from a pen and insert it in, and that's it. Again, just put it inside the spiral of a notebook and resort to it when you start craving sugar during class. Reese's Pieces have always been one of my favorite types of candy. Actually, anything Reese's is a favorite of mine. Well anyway guys, here's how you guys can use a roll of tape to sneak some of these Reese's Pieces into class. For this to work, the tape has to look like this. Notice it's contained within a plastic case that it's not see-through, and that is perfect as we don't want anyone spotting our candy. Peel back the tape so you can have access to the inside, and notice there's plenty of room in there to start filling it with Reese's Pieces. Once you reach the top, simply place a piece of tape over it so that the candy stays put, and during class just get some tape and help yourself to some Reese's Pieces. If you skip breakfast and you want to be able to enjoy some Pop-Tarts while in class, here's what you'll need to achieve that. A thick notebook that looks like this one, a DVD case or a video game case, which is the one that I have right here. And yes guys, I am gonna sacrifice my FIFA 17 game case for this hack. Let's open it up, and sure enough there's a game in there, so let's gently remove the disc out of the way because we are gonna get rid of that little button that's on the center. This will create room in there, so with a cutting tool do just that. Now you can get your Pop-Tarts and open them. You'll only be able to fit one in there, but it's better than nothing, right? Now let's close it up, and at this point you might think that we're done, right? Well, we aren't done yet guys, since we can't show up to class with a video game case, right? That would be super suspicious, so this is where the notebook comes in handy. Open it up and place the game case on it, align it with the lower edge and trace an outline. With some scissors, start to cut out the outline we drew, make sure that it's deep enough for the video game case. See, now it fits in perfectly. Close it up and that's it. We are done guys. Since you skipped breakfast, you will most likely be hungry as soon as class starts, so you will definitely be prepared. When it comes to candy, nerds are the easiest candy to sneak into class. Just look at these little boxes they typically come in. Well, here's a good example of how you guys can sneak a couple of small boxes of nerds into class. To pull this off, you'll also need a box of crayons. This box has 3 rows of crayons. Well, to start things off, we are gonna have to remove 2 of those rows in order to hide our boxes of nerds inside. It'll be quite snug, but you should be able to slide them in with ease. Now, before we actually put the rest of the crayons back, we will have to trim them in order for them to fit inside so they look normal. But once you've done all that, there will be nothing fishy or suspicious about this crayon box. If you were to flip it over and open it from the bottom, you'd be able to have access to your nerds. See how simple this is? And of course, if someone was to question the crayon box, just open the top and it will appear like a regular box of crayons. You can always get creative when it comes to glue sticks, as there are so many ways to use these to sneak candy into class. For example, here I have some lifesavers, and these were made for this, as you guys can fill in the bottom of a glue stick with them. For some of you though, this might not be enough, so if that's the case, just turn the bottom till the whole stick of glue pops out. I recommend that you wash it before you actually start to fill it with more lifesavers, but that's it. You'll have a lot of sugar at your disposal in class. Lastly guys, here I have a box of M&Ms and a pencil case. If you were to slide open this pencil case, inside you will find pencils of course, and I have all kinds of colored pencils here. I want you guys to notice something else. If you were to try to put this box of M&Ms inside the pencil case, it will fit in perfect. So now that we know that, here is what we're gonna do. On the back of the box of M&Ms, we are gonna apply some hot glue and start to line up all the pencils. Make sure not to leave any gaps. We're basically covering the box of M&Ms with pencils. Once you've done that, it should look something like this. On this side is just a roll of pencils, and on the other side we can clearly see our box of M&Ms. To make things easier for us, let's open up the flaps on the box of M&Ms. Now we can put it inside the pencil case. Close it up and that's it guys. See, it's just a bunch of pencils in there. Even when we open the case, it's nothing but pencils, but of course we know better, and we know that we can have easy access to our candy if we lift up the pencils just a little. Have fun and enjoy. There you guys have it, 10 creative and fun ways that you guys can sneak food and candy into class using everyday school supplies without getting caught by your teachers. Now guys, at the start of this video, I did mention that I am giving away a box of snacks if this video gets 1000 likes. And if this video gets 8000 likes, I will give away a brand new Xbox One to someone in the comments. And to participate in this giveaway, all you have to do is give this video a like and leave a comment below. This giveaway is open to anyone, no matter where you live or what your age is. Anyone can participate. Again, all you have to do is like and comment on this video. Good luck to all of you who participate. I will see you pranksters in my next video.